Brainy Buzzy presents 7 characteristics of people you should never trust. We might want to believe that the people in our lives are worthy of our trust, but sadly a lot of them aren't. We tend to surround ourselves with people who do not belong in our lives, and the sooner we realize that, the sooner we can work to change it. Our trust is not something we should give freely, but far too often it is. As a person, you should work harder to protect yourself and the life you live. You won't be able to cut ties with every toxic person that you come in contact with, but many of them will be quite obvious, and those are the ones you should work to remove. Below I am going to go over some of the kinds of people that we should not be trusting. These are the people who refuse to stop using us and are always going to ignore our feelings to make themselves feel better. Limiting your interactions with these people and paying attention to the things they have done in your life can and will help you grow as a person. Here are the 7 kinds of people you should never trust. Number 1. Those who never make up their minds. People who are unable to make up their own minds are not to be trusted. They will let you down time and time again. Whenever you ask them to do something, they agree to but then cancel later. It's like relying on them is impossible. Why allow someone in your life who is constantly letting you down? Number 2. Those who share too much. People who share way more than they should about themselves are lacking a lot within. These people are stressful and cause a lot more frustration and stress than they're worth. The more time you spend with them, the more concerned you will become, and they will expect you to drop everything to be by their side regardless of the things going on in your life. Limiting your time with people who overshare is important. You cannot allow them to have free range in your life, or they will drain your energies. Your life is a lot better when they're not around, and coming to terms with that is necessary. Number 3. Those who think the world revolves around them. People who think the world revolves around them are some of the most irritating. They will never be there for you in the ways you need them to be, and they will always take advantage of you. Your kindness with these people will get you in a lot more trouble than you might realize. Number 4. Those who lack empathy. People who lack empathy do not care about you. They only care about themselves. All the things you trust them with will be used against you in one way or another. Number 5. Those who judge others. People who judge other people with or in front of you are also people who judge you. While you may not see or hear them judging you, they will make sure to talk about you behind your back. You do not need that kind of negativity in your life. Number 6. Those who gossip. People who gossip will always use your secrets against you. If you tell them something in confidence, they will spread it to the world. You just can't allow them in your mind in the ways you can other people. Number 7. Those who take advantage of others. People who you notice are constantly taking advantage of others shouldn't be trusted. They are going to and might already be doing to you what they are doing to those other people. Seeing the ways you're being used isn't always as easy as you might want it to be. All too often the red flags go overlooked.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.